Hello, snare drummers, and welcome to Unit 5. And in Unit 5, we're going to be looking at Lesson 5.1, Number 1. All right, so the new concept for Lesson 5 is an eighth note followed by two 16th notes. All right, so we're going to look at that. That combined, an eighth note followed by two 16th notes equals one beat. An eighth note equals half of that beat. And the two 16th notes each equal a quarter. So a half plus a quarter equals 1. All right, so let's look up at the sticking, or let's look at the counting first of number 1 up here. And it's the same process as everything else. Either eighth notes, 16th notes, or now eighth and two 16th notes. The first note of those groupings gets whatever beat it falls on. All right, so looking at number 1, we have 1 and a. Now look at that. So we just got done doing 4 16th notes where it would have been 1 E and a. All right, but since the eighth note takes up a half a count, it takes up the 1 and it also takes up the E. So the E is gone. All right, so we have 1 and a. We're left with those last two 16th notes. And because of that, we also stick it right, left, because the left hand that was on the E, 1 E and a, right, left, that left hand is gone. So now anytime you see an eighth note followed by two 16th notes that looks like this above, you will stick it right, left. Same as in the 4 16th notes, the last unit, that overrides any other sticking rule we had. So we're going to be right, left. And now let's look at how we count that first measure. 1 and a, 2 and 3 and a, 4 and. All right. The biggest issue you'll have is probably just figuring out the sticking at first. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left. You're going to want to hit a left after that first right, but it's going to be 2 rights in a row. All right, let me play number 1 for you, and you'll get an idea of how it will sound, and you can apply that then to the other exercises. All right, so think of 1 and a 2 and 1 or 3 and a 4. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. And again, if I was practicing, I would repeat because there's a repeat sign at the end of that. Okay, so that's number 1 for you. The new concept of eighth to 16th notes is what we're working on in this unit. All right, so practice hard. Watch the sticking carefully. All right, don't start going right, left, because that'll just mess everything up for the rest of the exercise. So watch the sticking, pay attention to that, and it wouldn't be a bad idea to say the sticking out loud before you play it. You would go right, left, left, right, left, after you figure out the counting for it. All right, again, practice hard, and I will see you on Unit 6.